Got the Fimimo 5.5 inch stainless steel bristle pool brush. And this will work for tiles as well. So I could use this for my like shower tile. But the cool thing about this is this works really well for pools, and you can use it handheld, or you can attach it with the V clips here. You can attach it with most poles. So most poles that you're going to get that you're going to use for like brushes or attachments, like even like nets for your pool, they're good. You're going to be able to attach this to it. It's got a nice, they're hard, but they're flexible bristles. So this is going to scrub very well and really get the grime off of either tile or your pool bottom, maybe even hot tub or spa. I can confirm these work really well. They're hard, but not too hard. So they've got give to them, which is going to make it good for scrubbing. At the end of the day, it is what it is, and it does what it says it does. It looks how it looks. It's got a V clip in there, and it'll work with a pole or work with your hand.